Hey people,
yeah.
So I haven't been up here in a while now. Before Monday, you know, man the work. The work is in good hands, right? Hey, what?
My God.
So I bring Kyrie up here again. We come check in for a walk one, you know. That's funny. That's funny.
Hello YouTube.
Morning guys.
Oh, go on.
How are ya?
Yeah, man. Guys, we not lie, like last night, Cass coming here with quail eggs. You get me, I say? Maybe we know them things are Jamaica. Quail egg.
I actually went to St. Anne, Orchard yesterday, and I always go in the supermarket. So when I went into the supermarket, I realized that there is quail eggs. So I was like, wow, look at them. They are so tiny. Like, let me open the package for you.
When was the people eat them something, yeah?
People eat a lot of stuff there. There are also different types of eggs out there. I don't know why it's not warm, you know.
Pop it, don't hold it, yeah.
Okay. What's up, people? So in my hands I have an iPhone X from Popsy. Popsy is helping us to save the earth, alright? So they take old iPhones and they actually make it over. So they refurbish it. And they refurbish it at a fraction of the price. Prices start at $129. See, this is an iPhone X, white, and it looks nice. It's in really good condition. So guys, head on over to Popsy's website. You'll definitely be able to pick you up an iPhone, especially if you're having a little one that you want to get a present, right? Pick you up a refurbished iPhone and go on with yourself. Alright guys?
Yeah, see them there? So what drove you to buy quail eggs?
Fact that they're quail eggs.
Fact that they're quail eggs? But them small.
And I want to try them.
Man. Yeah.
I want to try them. So this morning I'm actually going to boil them. They're so small, like, I don't know, I can probably try and crack one of them and fry one of them, but they're so tiny, like.
Kyrie. Auntie Manda here with Kyrie. Yeah.
Hi.
Say hi. Say hi, Kai. Yes, hello.
Yes.
Say hi, yes.
Say hi.
Guys, Kyrie progressing so nicely.
Yes.
You know. Kyrie almost 11 months, almost 11 months now.
He's 10 months and 2 weeks.
Yeah.
10 months and 2 weeks.
He's counting too, guys. Tell him one. Say one.
Say one, Kyrie.
One.
One.
One. Show them
Kyrie, one. One, Kyrie, one. One.
But Kyrie, so they came on side. And I just up recent in the other day, he was like, oh, see the same finger they come out.
Oh,
one
come Kyrie, one. Kyrie, one.
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 One, Kyrie.
One.
The guys, I tell you, say, Kyrie is doing a lot.
Yes.
You know, he must stand up. You can't put him down now, Amanda. The guys, he must stand up on his own. Right? Yeah, man. Like, literally, no assistance. Just out there, just get up and stand up. And that him I don't know. You know? See that? See that? Yes! You see that? He just did it. Guys, so just this morning I go up at the site. You see me? So every morning I go up there. Give them water, drop out the plant, them stuff there, you know? So they're like majority of the house now, them reach up to the maximum height for the blocks. So pretty soon we're gonna look for cast the roof. Right, so them are gonna do what they call a lintel and the belting and them stuff. Them are do them thing there, and then after that, the roof can cast, guys. So very soon. And in fact, one of the last video we will upload, guys, with the project update, they were actually like halfway with the block work, but them reach long past that now.
Yeah.
You know?
So it's way up now. We start at Adrian now. So yeah, I'm getting excited. I can actually see the size of the rooms and start it. So
Yeah.
like it.
Exciting, guys.
I like it.
Exciting.
Can't wait to decorate Airbnb though.
I know.
Yeah,
Like
that's
I
right.
went into Fontana yesterday in Ochi, and I was seeing all the stuff. I was like, alright, you know what? So I'm trying to get a little feel of what I want
Yeah.
to do
Yeah.
with the area.
Things that come together
Yeah.
nicely, you know. Carry their school, guys.
Yeah, so he's learning his ABCs, his 1, 2, 3s from this. This is very helpful. I don't.
Where you get this again, Cass?
Online.
Oh.
I bought it online.
First.
Oh, okay,
It
okay.
has shapes, everything,
Yeah,
numbers. Very nice.
Yep.
Because
Yeah. So
Yeah.
even before them can read, guys, them can eat it. Carry your chew, see? Carry chew up the lard, jeez.
No!
Carry.
No!
Jeez.
And it's
Why?
slick, you know?
Guys, carry that easy, you know.
Alright, so
And
this
then-
is apple.
Apple.
A is for apple.
Apple. A for apple. This is what Auntie made for Kyrie, guys. You know, him letter chart, him alphabet chart. Yeah.
it
Yeah, man.
it might seem kind of
See him there? See him there? See him there? See him there, guys?
He's
Him stand up, you know, good, you know, guys. Yeah, man. See him there?
and it might seem kind of redundant now. You have to boy, I have to pick them and make him go and go
See
play.
him there? See him there? See him there?
One.
Him fully stand up, you know, guys. See? Yeah, man. And him put up number 1 too.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yep.
Him can't do number 2 yet. Him can't do this yet because you know as kids grow their motor skills, their fine motor skills are not that strong. So they can do this first, then them after a little while then
They
them
can
practice to do this and but them can't do this like how we can do it. But it might seem a little bit redundant to not say when I do little fit make him go and go play. It's very important for him to know that not every minute of every day is just for playing.
No,
So
but
you
it's
have
a
to
play,
break
but I
him.
play this theme too, you know.
That no, but it's more focused playing. It's
Right.
playing, doing something that somebody wants you to do. Okay, see when them get used to only doing what they want to do.
Yeah, structure.
When time
Yeah.
comes for them go to school and for participate in any little activity, they are very
Problem. Yep.
Yeah, so you have to teach him from now.
Alright, come stand up again for Daddy Kai and for the squad Kyrie, come stand up for them.
He's eating the paper.
Kyrie.
Guys, everything Kyrie eats.
Oh jeez. Guys, I'm just remember that here you know, so we are waiting for the perfect time to start using it with him. So we have got this. It's an Aymara early childhood set. Right. It come with flashcards and everything. It tells what each thing is, you know. And most of you guys would have seen this video that we actually did with this Aymara. We're gonna leave it link in the description again. Right? So they had reached out to us and sent us this for our baby. Kyrie, look.
Look at that.
Fireman. Fireman. Look, guys, see? Fireman. Look.
Fireman.
Fireman. You see that, Kyrie? Fireman.
Fireman.
Fireman. Right? Yes.
Doctor.
Look, Kyrie. Doctor. Look. Look, Kyrie.
Doctor.
Doctor. Red. Red, Kyrie. Red.
Red.
Red. Right? Red.
You say my look?
Kyrie, red. Color red. Right? Look.
Red.
Red. Right? Yes. You must focus. Alright.
Okay guys, this is the boiled quail eggs. Look on Kyrie looking. Kyrie's like, what's going on?
Yep.
Right.
Kyrie baby pancakes here. Kyrie, you ready for them? You ready for them?
You ready to taste it, Mandy?
Yeah. Kind of
I
nervous.
try it, yeah. On a date, kind of nervous.
It kind of feel kind of softy.
Eh?
The shell?
Yeah, like
You
feel
feel
it.
Right, yeah, kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Alright, so let's see what's happening with this. Ooh, the shell is very soft. It's not like chicken shell that you kind of, you know, it's coming off though.
You have good lighting?
See it there?
This is the shell.
Yeah, and
It's
the thing here.
a very soft shell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it have the little membrane between the egg white and the shell, just like regular eggs. See it there? Alright, come cut now, let me see it.
Carrie's little eggs. Oh my god. I'm brave. I'm gonna eat the Carrie too brave.
Carrie's breakfast. Quail egg and everything. Right, I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna taste it too. Lordy, lordy. Alright, let me get the yolk. So the yolk here. Come on, here you go.
Mouth up in my mouth.
You there, may that stay, Carrie. Come. Carrie. Alright, I'm gonna go back for that. Alright, so quail egg. Right, so I taste it. It tastes just like regular chicken egg, you know. It tastes just like regular chicken egg, but it's very small, as you can see. Raw though. It tastes just like chicken egg. Not bad. Alright, it's cool.
Guys, I actually expected it to have like a different yolk. I don't know. In my imagination, I thought that it would have like a bright orange yolk or a red yolk or something, but it has the same yellow yolk like the normal chicken. So yeah, let's taste it.
Normal, eh?
Yeah, it's like chicken eggs.
So how much you pay for that? How much egg you get tonight?
Oh, it was 12 and it was like $365.
$365 for 12 eggs. Roughly the same price as regular eggs, but
Yeah.
smaller. Oh, but my peeps. Yeah, man. So a new day today. You know, kind of run out of material now. You get me? I have to get back a load of sand. You see me? The guy is supposed to come and deliver some more gravel as well. Hopefully the sand and gravel do me for the rest of the job. I go to the hardware right now, get some cement, run out of cement as well. One day get a bag of cement left. You know, I buy over like 160 bag of cement and I just one bag leave. You know, so I get back some, we can do it till close to the end of the job, you get me? You know, it may give me a total what I need remaining, but I buy a little less just for see how it go, you know, because I want to overstock pan it. If anything down near end, me just go buy back some more or whatever. Yeah, and I'm supposed to get Solitex as well. That's some that flexible material where they might use for you call that now, for mold the arch over the patio area them. So there's some stuff like that I'll get, you know, as well as we want to ask me to get some nail too. So I have to get various type of nail film as well. You know, yeah, so thing I get drastic, you know, power, me not lie, is it? Money does a boy, me I tell you, yo, things that get sticky, man, you see it, but we are going to persevere, we are going to push to see what I go on, you know, to see how close we can bring this thing, you know, yeah, man. Yeah, so I just pull up at the hardware now. This June hardware at Portmore. I hear say them have some cheap material cost around here, so around them I come, you know. So them have all door too. They got doors in stock as well, so I gotta see how the price them stay, you know. Alright, so yeah, the cement are 1.3. Well, plus tax or that's after tax? Okay, not bad. Alright, so more 1 sheet of Solitex as well. Yeah, no, one bag. 60 bag. 60 bag of cement. So we can't deal for the cement if I them the quantity there. Oh. Yeah guys, so I just roll in from the hardware. You know. So I basically get everything I June except them 2x2 board here. You know. So I just stop on hardware and get those. So I deliver vehicle, I go carry the rest of the things them. The cement them and the other stuff them differently, and yeah, as I say, I bring in them. I just can't cut them up because them are cut small anyway. Yeah, so them things like them board I got cut up for make the arch them, you know, for farm or the arch them with the Solitex. So them board I could have cut, I could just bring them in the vehicle. Yeah man, so I dip on my way back around the house, you know. Yeah. Yep. Reach back on the job site, yeah. You know. There we go. Oh, the sun red. No I lie. Sun red, you know. Oh, go on. Take a little break. Oh, I see him out the road there, man. See him out there, man. No, further up more. Yeah, so as I said, I get back another load of sand. Right, the gravel is supposed to come in today. You know. Yeah, we can just go and push the work. You see it? You see? Basically, black work reach up to lintel, you know. Yeah man, for the most part, because one of them part here, the lintel them have to go cast out and then them continue. You know, I just round other part there. Right near on the other side there's some little bit of black work leave, but you know, basically that. Yeah, so when we get the Solitex now, it will be used for do a arch right here, so you know. We kind of match back with the front to how the front of the house there. You see the patio area at the front of those out of the curve. I see them in, so that basically to the side now. You know, your left. So. Yeah, so basically to the right of the house you have the little curve, which is basically the area where we are right now. So right here, so yeah, it have a curve. I will do a little arch on the two side. This so and this so. Yeah, and run on the back patio, same thing again. Yeah, see, as I said, the black work reach up almost 100%. You know. Yeah. Basically. Nah, look too bad right now, you know. Well, go on guys, so a new day. Everyone, me forward. Yeah. You know, so I guess just left. You know, so we're basically here preparing for a new guest. Yeah. You know? Yeah man, so yeah. Carrie, say hi. Say hi.
Carrie's odyssey out of the house.
Say
and
hello.
Jaden's phone.
Hi.
Yeah. Yeah man, so we're here at the Airbnb apartment guys. Mom there, I help out, you know. Yep. Monday.
Hey guys.
Yeah. Yeah man. Yeah, but I'm not a short while ago. I saw him there pan, you know.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Yeah,
Say hello.
YouTube again.
Hey, it's a Corey there, look for the man, well trim up neat, watch him now.
No name, have name now.
Yeah, cause I got them call up name pan it. It's something there. But you tell them about the clippings so the boss don't say I couldn't move the dirt them. Why I show them the dirt them?
Yeah, but
See that place clean.
We said we just come and see the place clean out and look. So that time I said, walk on.
The place well clean.
Them psychic suit,
You know?
man, them old strength to get strong.
So they can see the range, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
It looks good, looks good.
Yeah man.
Looks good.
Yeah. You can see the actual potential of the area and everything, you know. You see it?
Yeah,
Yeah man.
definitely.
Yep.
Definitely.
Guys,
Me and Kyrie get pillow. You're going to see it in the next vlog or this one.
Next one. Yo.
In the next vlog.
Yes.
Carrie is like, when Carrie leave your house, you must see everything in him, observe everything in him.
Daddy, we can do a Sunday vlog.
Yeah, yeah.
Good morning.
Say hi.
You not talk to me.
Say hi.
Say hi to your friend.
Say hi.
Man, I look on the board.
I wonder what going over there, so.
Yeah, man. Yeah, guys. So basically, the last couple column them, Everton are cast them out. Where Everton and Corey, you know, them are cast out. The last set of column them, you know. Yeah. So then after that now, we get in the pest control people them for do them spray work. So we're gonna see that, guys. In the next video, we're gonna see that. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Only for more. But today we are cast out. That's so still.
The column them.
So I block them.
Lawn expert.
Sure, I have a very good piece of thing with me.
Yeah, man. So, yeah. So, guys, we actually have some sprinklers in the lawn, but we never get the opportunity to. We did lazy, guys. I tell you the truth. We did lazy. We never get to put in the spring. They have the timer for the sprinkler. So, what happens is, a lot of times, I have to come down here and turn it on myself, turn on the sprinkler myself. And if me not remember, then the lawn not get no water. You know, so now only me have to come, switch on this, then the sprinkler would pop out. See, sprinkler would pop out, and it's water. But as me say, me lazy, so me never install the timer. So now with the timer put in, every couple of days it come on by itself, any particular time I want, it just come on. And it turn on, you know. So yeah. But I switch it off back for now. You know. Switch it off. So when the time I put on, I not worry about a turn on and turn off thing. Yeah. Yeah. See it here?
Man, I'm just afraid of
Like this.
a few moments later.
Yeah. Carry it on the phone attack. And things, so I video him that talk to his mother, so I video him, you know. So I take the video and send to him grandfather. Where you say go on with the video, daddy? Where you say go on with it? Carry it up on phone attack, man. I'll insert a little clip of that video. I'll put it on the screen, guys. So you can see what Carrie are going with.
Yeah, we are going with enough things, man.
Talk to him. He might respond back. Yeah. Now say that video.
You're getting so big, oh my god.
Now video him.
Hi, boo boo. Hi, hi.
Hey.
Keep going. Keep going.
Great.
Got your playtime? Got your playtime?
Karya said, Daddy, come back. Daddy, come back.
Done with your playtime?
You can't watch these at the same time.
Carrie are going with himself.
Carry go on.
Put it on your YouTube channel.
It's a dead man. I put it up. I put it up. You see it.
When like, you know, you have a Kyrie moment and stuff.
Yes.
But
See me here, guys. See me here. And Jaden. Yeah. Yeah, man. So, guys. So, guys, my old man, they're on the phone. Him overseas. You see what I say? So, kind of keep him up to date with the video them and the video call them and thing, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, so. Yes, I change all the lock off because lock off broken. You know. Yep. You know guys, you don't know how long me for do this. I'm just a procrastinate. Me get the link online and everything for buy it. You see me? Yeah.
One darkness under the sun.
Dead one.
So yeah, I say when all the work finish, we're gonna relocate this sit set up to like right close by here.
Yeah. So it ain't nobody with. Has its own, what they call it now. It stands out by itself there. You know, in nobody way. You
Yeah.
can put a flower pot in front of it, anything.
Yeah, man.
You just hide it.
But for the interim, guys, we need a timer because the land have to be maintained. You know, so I put in the timer. It should have been in long time. So I'm going to put in the timer temporarily right here. The piping can always move again, you know.
Hey people,
Yeah.
so I haven't been up here in a while now. Before Monday, you know, man the work. The work is in good hands, right? Hey, what?
Like on.
So I bring Kyrie up here again. We come check in and walk on, you know. That's funny. That's funny. That's funny. Hey, he has the cutest smile. You see them?
True, 60
You're the
boy.
cutest.
Guys, I'm shoot up the 60 them one time, you know.
Yeah.
From about 7-8 months, some of this so. You know? Oh God.
Yeah, man. So we basically I talk about the finishing, you know.
Yeah.
So after this is like the height. Then you might put up like a beam. The beam will go up on top of this.
Belting, yeah, them call it belting.
Belting. I'll go up on top of that.
Yep.
And then a decking time.
Yeah.
Decking time.
Yeah.
Decking time.
Guys, we are run out, you know, guys.
Yeah.
Got them two, yeah.
Yeah.
Got them two, yeah. Jaden got the guy, see him there? Yeah, man. You have to remove it from the hammering, you know. Everton nail up the column,
We're
you
in
know.
an active construction sector,
Yeah,
right?
so the thing set up. Yep.
So guys,
Yeah,
it
man.
was great having you on today's
As
vlog.
always.
Yeah, we appreciate y'all coming by. Remember, 50K by May. 50K by May. Right now we're at 33. So
Yep.
come on guys, get us up there. We are moved towards 40 and we are got towards 50. Alright, so a
Yep.
little time we have left.
Yep.
So subscribe if you haven't already.
Yes.
Share with a friend who you think may appreciate our content. And of course, give us a thumbs up on this video.
Yep.
Turn on your post notification bell after you subscribe and ensure the bell has a little dancing thing beside it.
Yeah,
Alright?
yeah.
So you can know every time we post.
Post a video.
Yes.